the drag cart fix, rebuild, junk. Yesterday we did a brake caliper. We mounted our axle on, got our brake lines installed. Today we're going to install that new housing, starter cup, and a new pull start from O&B Warehouse. For some reason I couldn't get the fluid to move from this large line, so I had to install a short line. Oh, it's just for can't say testing purposes only, because that's kind of somebody else's line. So it's just for I don't know, S&G Honda GX 160. Just sitting here. It ain't even running. It's leaking gas. That doesn't help. Alright. Alright, I just gotta use this impact to bust off this. Sweet! This goes back on the 212. It's gonna look like Bumblebee now, black and yellow. Holy crap. Alright, so now we just gotta add all this stuff on. The Hemi cup looks smaller. Put this on, you want to line up this little peg to your indent on your 54 foot-pounds. And we're going to torque it down lightly. I see, that's good enough. I guess I need to get a gauge for this, but you guys let me know. Look at the clearance. It was like the metallic finish, chrome. So redid it, and kind of turned out like a gunmetal silver. Just found them always better. Yep, they got me stripped out. Ruh-roh. That's the problem. I don't have the bolts. Oh, that's terrible. You got a problem with our starter cup. It's not the right one. It's not gonna work. It means we're not gonna have a running go-kart. It's irritating. Nope. Alright, here's my, this could have been a problem. This, get this out of the way. The housing was out by like a ½ inch. It wasn't pressed. It was hung up on this metal heat shield. I'm guessing that's what that is. So I pressed it back. These holes are stripped out. So if there's any way I could get in there, I guess to re-tap those if it's possible. I just put a lock washer on, added more space. This one up here is pretty bad. It's the same way. It's grabbing, but I think it's just because So I'm going to have to put this one back on. Which is weird. Hold on. Alright, so we got the non-Hemi cup on, full start. And I think it's because, there we go. Make sure you hook up the kill switch. Should just be this black wire. And this yellow one goes to your oil, which I guess we'll hook that up to. We'll eventually take that out. Can you wait? So we got that started finally, like an hour later. Full start doesn't look that bad. I like the gunmetal, the yellow, and now it brakes. Let's check our brakes out, let's see how they work.